The song Echo by Elevation Worship featuring Torrin Wells from the album Hallelujah Here Below. It's a mouthful. It is a lot of fun to play. Electric guitar has kind of some just kind of palm muted, kind of dancey tunes, and we had to add acoustic guitar. Now, there's 3 guitars on the song, and they're all electrics. And but one of them is kind of doing more of a rhythmic thing. Now, I chose not to do that with the acoustic guitar because sometimes acoustic guitar just, it doesn't quite fit exactly what an electric guitar might do. And so I kind of added a part, kind of stayed within the same frequency range, so it still kind of fills in that same space. However, it feels more like an acoustic guitar in there. The song is capoed on the 7th fret for the acoustic. The electric guitar is not capoed, so make sure you're looking at the right chart. Go ahead and tune up, watch the music video, and let's get started. Cover both the chorus and the chorus tag in this section because they're virtually identical. They just have a slightly different order to things. The main idea is going to sound like this. So that's a chorus tag. Like I said, the chorus is virtually identical, and we're starting right where our verse left off. Same spot, pointer fingers on that G. And we're going to that ring finger, and you can see on the tabs it's going to go 1 and 2 and So just between that 7th fret and the 9th. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and So it's down, 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 up. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. And then here, this is where we're bringing in the other guitar that's playing that has more of a palm muted sound. We're kind of combining the 2 ideas. And what's gonna happen is we're gonna be on that D string and we're gonna palm mute, followed by our ring finger is going to come up to our 11 and pull off to the 9. And you wanna kind of really open up that pull off. Again, this is for the chorus, and the last one, same idea, up, down, and pull off, but this time you're doing it on that 9th to the 7th. And so for our chorus, we're doing this riff 3 times, you can see on the tabs, and then we alternate between the other 2. However, on our chorus tag, we're just doing it double, so we're only doing 1 measure of the first one and then 1 measure of the second. So that'll sound like 4, 1 and 2 and 3. And if it repeats. So I have tabs and loops of both the chorus and the chorus tag below. I went slower. I gave you a slower loop on the chorus tag just because the main kind of the tricky part is that riff. So I wanted to make sure you could really kind of lock that in. Once you've got that, let's go on to that next section. 2, 3, 4.